You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phrases and more confusing vocabulary many mispronounce, including from mathematics, science too, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel, become part of the community. In English it's said as ratio decidendi, ratio decidendi, but if you want to make it sound more Latin, you can say it as ratio decidendi as well. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.